Hello students, this is the next lecture for TY BCom students. Name of the subject is Business Statistics Paper 3, lecture number 94, Unit 7, lecture number 7. Name of the topic is queuing theory. See lecture number 94, TY BCom Business Statistics Paper 3. Today we are going to see multiple choice questions based on queuing theory with correct answers. So the question is, choose correct alternative out of A to D in the following questions. First question, in MM1 in infinity F1 F4 model of queuing theory, the probability that server is idle is given by option A is lambda upon mu, option B is mu upon lambda, option C 1 minus mu upon lambda, option D 1 minus lambda upon mu. So out of these four options, the correct option is D, 1 minus lambda upon mu. Second question, in MM1 model of queuing theory, the probability that server is busy is given by A 1 minus mu upon lambda, B 1 minus lambda upon mu, C lambda upon mu, and D mu upon lambda. The correct answer is C lambda upon mu. Third question, expected waiting time of customer in queue in case of MM1 model is A 1 minus lambda upon mu, B 1 upon mu minus lambda, C lambda upon mu minus lambda, and D is lambda upon mu into bracket mu minus lambda. The correct answer is B 1 upon mu minus lambda. Fourth question, expected number of customers in the MM1 model is given by A lambda upon mu into bracket mu minus lambda, B lambda square upon mu into bracket mu minus lambda, C mu square upon mu into bracket mu minus lambda, and D mu upon lambda into mu minus lambda. So the correct answer is B lambda square upon mu into bracket mu minus lambda. Next question, expected number of customers in the MM1 model is A mu upon mu minus lambda, B lambda upon mu into bracket mu minus lambda, C lambda upon mu minus lambda, and D lambda square upon mu into bracket mu minus lambda. The correct answer is C lambda upon mu minus lambda. Next question, the probability that there are n customers in the system in MM1 model is A part mu raised to n, B 1 minus mu raised to n, C 1 minus rho into rho raised to n minus 1, and D 1 minus rho into rho raised to n. Correct answer is D 1 minus rho into rho raised to n. Next question, if an average number of customers arrives every 5 minutes and service time is 4 minutes per customer, then under the assumption of MM1 model, traffic intensity is given by A 0.1, B 0.5, C 0.8, and D 0.4. See the working of the question. Lambda is given as there are 5 minutes for every customer arrival time. So lambda is equal to 60 upon 5, that is equal to 12. Mu can be calculated as 60 upon 4, that is nothing but 15. So rho can be calculated as lambda upon mu, which is equal to 12 upon 15. So the correct answer is C 0.8. Next question, if lambda is equal to 12 per hour and mu is equal to 15 per hour in MM1 model, then average length of the queue of the system is A 4, B 3.2, C 1.5, and D 2. The correct answer is 4 because lambda is equal to 12, mu is equal to 15. We have to calculate LS. The formula is lambda upon mu minus lambda is equal to 12 upon 15 minus 12. So the answer is 12 upon 3. So the correct answer is 4. Next question. It is known that the customers arrive of 10 per hour with exponential distribution and service rate is 12 customers per hour. Then according to MM1 model, expected waiting time of customer in a queue is A 4.16 hours, B 0.416 hours, C 0.5 hours and D 5 hours. The correct answer is B 0.416 hours because we are expected to find WQ. The formula for WQ is lambda upon mu into bracket mu minus lambda, that is equal to 10 upon 12 into bracket 12 minus 10, which is nothing but 10 upon 12 into 2 hours. So that is equal to 10 upon 24 hours. So the answer is 0.416 hours. Next question. If arrival rate lambda is equal to 20 per hour and service rate mu is equal to 24 per hour, under usual assumptions, expected waiting time of customer in the system is A 12.5 minutes, B 5 minutes, C 15 minutes, D 10 minutes. The correct answer is 15 minutes. See the example. Patients arrive at a clinic according to a Poisson distribution at the rate of 20 patients per hour. Examination time per patient is exponential with mean rate of 30 per hour. First part of the question, find the traffic intensity. Second part of the question, what is the probability that a newly arrival does not have to wait? Third part of the question, what is the average waiting time of patient before he leaves the clinic? See the solution. Mean arrival rate lambda is equal to 20 per hour. Mean service rate mu is equal to 30 per hour. In the first part, we have to find the traffic intensity, which is nothing but rho, which is given as lambda upon mu. So the answer is 20 upon 30. So 0.6667. Second part of the question, probability that a new arrival does not have to wait is nothing but P0, which is 1 minus rho. So that is equal to 1 minus 0.667. So the answer is 0.333. And last part of the question, average waiting time of a patient before he leaves the clinic is WS is equal to 1 upon mu minus lambda, that is equal to 1 upon 30 minus 20. So we can say 1 upon 10 hour. So in terms of minutes, 60 upon 10. So the answer is 6 minutes. See the next example. A tailor specializes in ladies' dresses. The number of customers approaching the tailor appear to be Poisson with a mean of 6 customers per hour. The tailor attends the customer on first come first serve basis and customers wait if the need be. The tailor can attend the customers at an average rate of 10 customers per hour with the service time exponentially distributed. Calculate. First part of the question, utilization parameter. Second part of the question, probability that queuing system is idle. Third part of the question, average time tailor is free on a 10-hour working day. Fourth part of the question, expected number of customers in the shop. Last part of the question, average waiting time of customers in queue before service. See the solution. This is the case of single server queuing model with mean arrival rate lambda is equal to 6 per hour and mean service rate mu is equal to 10 per hour. So in the first part of the question, we have to find rho, that is utilization parameter is equal to rho, which is nothing but lambda upon mu. So that is equal to 6 upon 10. So the answer is 0.6. In the second part of the question, probability that queuing system is idle is P0, which is equal to 1 minus rho is equal to 1 minus lambda upon mu. So 1 minus 0.6. So the answer is 0.4. Next part of the question, average time teller is free on a 10-hour working day is given by P0 into number of working hours of a day. So 0.4 into 10. So that is nothing but 4 hours. Next part of the question, expected number of customers in the shop is given by LS is equal to lambda upon mu minus lambda, that is equal to 6 upon 10 minus 6. So the answer is 6 upon 4, that is equal to 1.5 customers. Next part of the question, average waiting time of customer in queue before service is WQ is equal to lambda upon mu into bracket mu minus lambda, that is equal to 6 upon 10 into bracket 10 minus 6. That can be written as 6 upon 10 into 4 in hours. So 6 into 60 upon 10 into 4 in minutes. So after calculations, the answer becomes 9 minutes. See the next example. Workers come to a tool store to inquire about the special tools for a particular job. The average time between the arrivals is 60 seconds and the arrivals are assumed to be in Poisson manner. The average server time is 40 seconds. Determine first part of the question, average queue length. Second part of the question, average length of non-empty queue. Third part of the question, mean waiting time of arrival. Fourth part of the question, average waiting time of an arrival who waits. Now see the solution. This is the case of single server queuing model where mean arrival rate lambda is equal to 60 upon 60, that is 1 per minute, and mean service rate can be calculated as mu is equal to 60 upon 40, which is nothing but 1.5 per minute. So the first part of the question we have to find average queue length is given by LQ, and the answer is lambda square upon mu into bracket mu minus lambda, that is equal to 1 square upon 1.5 into bracket 1.5 minus 1.0. So the answer is 1 upon 1.5 into 0.5. So that is nothing but 1 upon 0.75. So the answer is 1.33 workers. Second part of the question, expected length of non-empty queue is given by mu upon mu minus lambda, that is equal to 1.5 upon 1.5 minus 1.0. So 1.5 upon 0.5. So the answer is 3 workers. Next part of the question, mean waiting time of an arrival is given by WQ, and the formula for WQ is lambda upon mu into bracket mu minus lambda, that is equal to 1 upon 1.5 into bracket 1.5 into 1.0. So answer is that is equal to 1 upon 1.5 into 0.5. So the answer is 1.33. Next part of the question, average waiting time of an arrival who waits is given by WS, and that is nothing but 1 upon mu minus lambda. So that is equal to 1 upon 1.5 minus 1.0. So that is equal to 1 upon 0.5. So the answer is 2 minutes. See the next example. A departmental store has a single cashier. During the rush hours, customers arrive at a rate of 20 customers per hour. The cashier takes on an average 2.5 minutes per customer for processing. First part of the question, what is the probability that the cashier is idle? Second part of the question, what is the probability that the customer shall have to wait in the queue? Third part of the question, what is the average number of customers in the queuing system? Fourth part, what is the average time of a customer spends in the queue waiting for the service? Fifth part, what is the average time spent by a customer in the system? Next part, what is the average queue length? See the solution. Mean arrival rate lambda is given as 20 per hour. We have to calculate mean service rate mu is equal to 60 upon 2.5, that is equal to 24 per hour. So in the first part of the question, we have to find probability that the cashier is idle, that is nothing but P0, which is equal to 1 minus lambda upon mu, that is equal to 1 minus 20 upon 24, that is equal to 24 minus 20 upon 24. The answer is 4 upon 24. So answer is 0.17. Second part of the question, probability that a customer shall have to wait in the queue, that is probability that there is at least one customer in the system is given by rho is equal to lambda upon mu, that is equal to 20 upon 24, that is equal to 0.83. Next part of the question, average number of customers in the system is given by system length, and it is nothing but LS is equal to lambda upon mu minus lambda, that is equal to 20 upon 24 minus 20, which can be written as 20 upon 4. So that is nothing but 5 customers. Next part of the question, average time a customer spends in the queue waiting for the service is given by WQ is equal to lambda upon mu into bracket mu minus lambda, which is equal to 20 upon 24 into 24 minus 20, that is equal to 5 upon 24 hour. So multiply by 60 to get the time in minutes. So 5 into 60 upon 24. So the answer is 12.5 minutes. Next part of the question, average time spent by a customer in the system is given by WS, which is equal to 1 upon mu minus lambda, which is equal to 1 upon 24 minus 20, that is equal to 1 upon 4 hour. So 1 into 60 upon 4 in minutes, if we want to calculate, the answer is 15 minutes. Last part of the question is average queue length is denoted by LQ, which is given as lambda square upon mu into bracket mu minus lambda, that is equal to 20 square upon 24 into bracket 24 minus 20. So that is equal to 400 upon 24 into 4. So answer is 4.17 customers. Next example, in a bank, checks are cashed at a single teller counter. Customers arrive at the counter in the Poisson manner at an average rate of 30 customers per hour. The teller takes on an average a minute and a half to cash a check. The service time has been shown to be exponentially distributed. Calculate the percentage of time the teller is busy. First part. Second part, average time a customer is expected to wait. See the solution. We are given that average arrival rate lambda is equal to 30 and average service rate mu can be calculated as 60 upon 1.5, that is equal to 40. First part of the question, percentage of time the teller is busy is given by rho, that is equal to lambda upon mu, which is equal to 30 upon 40, so 0.75. So therefore percentage of time the teller is busy is 75%. Second part of the question, the average time a customer is expected to wait is WS is given by 1 upon mu minus lambda, that is equal to 1 upon 40 minus 30. So that can be calculated in minutes at 60 upon 10. So our answer is 6 minutes.